The first thing that you're going to need are, of course, your clip-ins. These are from the Sensational brand, and these are their textured clip-ins. You can get these from your local beauty supply store or on Amazon. Then you're going to need a wide tooth comb, scrunchies, clips, a boar bristle brush, Silk Remedies generic brand oil, Ebon edge control. This is optional, but I like to use Topic just so I can get a fuller look. So the first thing that you're gonna have to do is brush your clip-ins out. These clip-ins are the textured clip-ins from the Sensational line, and I love these clip-ins. I've been wearing them for 6 months. When you brush your clip-ins out, you need to brush them out until they are fluffy. The fluffier they are, the fuller they look, and the less clip-ins that you have to use. When you're done, they should look something like this. Now, since the hair is super textured, I'm going to go in with my Silk Remedies oil, and I'm going to add just a little bit throughout the hair. So now I'm just making sure that my hair is detangled, and I'm just combing it out with my wide tooth comb. This next step is optional, but I like to go ahead and add just a little bit of Topic to the front of my hair. You can get this from Sally's Beauty Supply Store. Now I am sectioning off the back of my hair. I want to add that these clip-ins are very fluffy, so you do not need super small spacing in your parts. So that is why my part looks so large. I'm just cleaning up the parts, and I'm going to add my first clip. Now that my first clip is applied, I'm gonna go in and section off another part. So as I'm sectioning off the part, I'm making sure to blend my hair in with the clip-in that I previously installed. And this is very important because you want the hair to blend. I'm not adding a bunch of clip-ins in, but I just want to make sure that it is all blended and cohesive. Since this is a half up, half down style that I will eventually be doing, I'm gonna go ahead and section off the front of my hair. I'm not adding the clip-ins from the front of my hair all the way around to the other side. I'm literally just stopping behind my ears when I apply my clip-ins. Okay, once that clip-in is in, I'm going to blend my hair in by brushing it all together. Now I'm sectioning off my hair, making sure to leave out the front of my hair. Also, I'm making sure to blend my hair in with the clip-ins. After I have sectioned off my hair and I have that beautiful horseshoe shape, I'm going to go in and I'm going to put my clip-in in. As you can see, my clip-ins are not going to the front of my hair. I'm stopping behind my ear and leaving that hair out. That is very important because when you pull your hair up, you need hair to go up in that half ponytail. After that is applied, I'm going to part my hair out again, make sure to blend my hair in with the clip-in extensions. And then I'm going to add my smallest piece to that part that I sectioned off. So I'm gonna add a bang to this look. So I'm going to section off the front of my hair so that I can make room for my bang clip. After my bang is sectioned off, I'm going to part out my hair and add the last clip. This clip is very important because this clip is going to be a part of your top ponytail. So make sure that you have enough hair sectioned off to cover it. Okay, all of your clip-ins are added. It looks full. It looks really cute. Now I'm going to add my bang piece. I'm going to split my part in half, and then I'm just going to add the bang. It's really simple, really easy. Now that our clip-ins are all in, we're gonna move into styling. So when I do this ponytail, I am first going to mold and make sure that the ponytail is in the right place and it is flattering to my face. Once I have the shape and the placement, I'm going to split it in half and I'm going to work from one side to the other. So right now I'm just sectioning off, making sure that no clip-ins are showing in the back once I pull it up in that ponytail. And then once I get it right where I want it, I'm going to brush it and clip it. Once I'm done with that side, I'm going to move to the other side and basically do the same thing. Once I have my ponytails right where I want them, I'm going to bring them together and I'm going to tie it up. Look how natural it looks. Once I have my ponytail right how I want it, I'm going to take my wide tooth comb and I'm just going to fluff out the back and make sure that it's super cute. Then I'm going to take my edge control and I'm going to mold my hair, get my edges together and make sure that the sides are nice and sleek. Once my edges are nice and sleek, I'm going to take my bobby pin and I'm just going to neaten it up and pull the sides just a little bit and bobby pin that down. Moving on to the bang, it was a little too long, so I just brushed my hair into the bang so it can blend, and then I just simply cut it. And this hair is really pretty, like it just created a natural little curl. And here I'm just fixing it, fluffing it out, and making sure that it all goes together. Now that I have my style, I'm going to lock it in with my Ebin spray. I'm going to spray the sides and I'm going to spray my bang just so that way it stays neat throughout the day. And there you have it, guys, a very cute, simple clip-in, no heat install. Hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.